Business at Rilong goes beyond borders. It's about family and trust. Today, we were thrilled to welcome a premium client from Venezuela. Sherry and her family gave our guests a heartfelt airport reception, where her children presented a beautiful handmade welcome sign and card, sparking an immediate close bond. The journey continued with an in-depth tour of our manufacturing facility, led by Sherry. Our partner explored our high-efficiency CNC Workshop, precision mold production floor, and advanced EDM processing room. We also highlighted our strictly managed raw material warehouse and high-capacity injection molding assembly lines, demonstrating our robust supply chain and scalable production. The visit concluded in our showroom, where Sherry introduced Rilong's milestone achievements and showcased our diverse portfolio of iconic injection molded products. Thank you for watching. If you have any custom product requirements, please send us an inquiry or contact us today. Let's build success together.